Shifty week here in Utah, tectonically speaking. Scientists say it's an unusual amount of seismic activity with 5 earthquakes in northern and central Utah in as many days. Now, does it mean we're close to getting hit by the big one? ABC4's Andrew Reeser gets the breakdown.
When I stomp my feet near this seismometer, it registers on the University of Utah's computers. Now just think of what happens when seismometers like these in remote areas register real seismic activities. Machines like this have been busy of late.
It's a little unusual.
Earthquakes felt in Bluffdale last week.
I was freaking out. It was my first time ever feeling an earthquake.
And a second earthquake just this week in the town of Kanosh near Fillmore. A reminder that Utah is earthquake country and the heavily populated Salt Lake Valley, with its older buildings, is the most vulnerable.
Right along 13th East in Salt Lake City is the Salt Lake portion of the Wasatch Fault. And seismologists say recent seismic activity could predict shaky times for the whole of the Salt Lake Valley.
In 1934, the Hansel Valley earthquake that hit just north of the Great Salt Lake with a 6.6 magnitude killed 2 people and severely damaged buildings, including the city-county building downtown. Jim Peschman, a seismologist at the University of Utah, says it's not necessarily the predicted 7.5 magnitude earthquake that we should be focusing on in the short term. He says an even smaller, more likely to hit soon earthquake could be catastrophic for the Salt Lake Valley.
People tend to focus on, the big one, but I guarantee you a 6 underneath the Salt Lake Valley would knock down buildings. An earthquake like that on the Salt Lake City segment would be the worst case scenario.
Here at the U, seismologists monitor the plethora of seismic activity happening daily. And Peschman says these smaller quakes we've been having could be a warning to get prepared.
These should all serve as a wake-up that we do live in earthquake country, and we could have a large damaging earthquake at any time.
In Salt Lake City, Andrew Reeser, ABC4 News.